We all want a toned, flat belly, but crash diets and intense workout programs can be challenging to stick to. The good news is, you can still burn belly fat without following a strict diet. Here are 30 foods that can help you torch belly fat naturally. Number 1. Avocados. These creamy fruits are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats that help reduce belly fat. Number 2. Almonds. High in protein and fiber, almonds keep you feeling full for longer, reducing the chances of overeating. Number 3. Blueberries. These tasty berries are rich in antioxidants that promote fat loss, including stubborn belly fat. Number 4. Apples. Apples are full of soluble fiber, which helps reduce visceral fat, the deep belly fat that surrounds your organs. Number 5. Leafy greens like spinach and kale. These vegetables are low in calories but high in nutrients, making them great for weight loss and belly fat reduction. Number 6. Tomatoes. Packed with antioxidants, tomatoes can help shrink your waistline and boost your overall health. Number 7. Oats. These fiber-rich grains keep you feeling full, control blood sugar levels, and help burn belly fat. Number 8. Lean proteins like chicken, turkey, and fish. Protein-rich foods help build and repair muscles, supporting a faster metabolism. Number 9. Green tea. Not only does it boost your metabolism, but it also aids in fat burning, making it a great beverage choice for a flat belly. Number 10. Chili peppers. These spicy fruits contain capsaicin, which increases fat burning and curbs your appetite. Continue watching to discover 20 more belly fat burning foods that will help you achieve your desired physique. Remember, implementing these foods into your diet alone won't magically make your belly fat disappear. A balanced diet and regular exercise are key to achieving long-term results. Thanks for watching our video. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness content.